Hey there everyone, it's John again. Now, after you have torn your vacuum apart into a whole bunch of little pieces, let's put it back together. Okay, there she be. It's all over the place. Let's start with the top. Here's the top view of the agitator plate. I don't know, vanity cover? I don't know what the hell you call these things. Your carpet selector and your brush bar setting. Remember, the big one is for your carpet setting, and the small one is to turn your beater bar on and off. It's best to just, when you put that back on there, make sure it's set for carpet. Because if you try and put it on, what it does is it goes right underneath this thing here. I'll show you when I lift this up. You'll see that that little bar slides right underneath here. Oops, I'm sorry. It slides right through there, and it holds this in place. So if you have this set to hard, when you try and put that back on, you're gonna break something. And don't come looking to me. Say, well, you told me to do it this way. No, I'm telling you how to do it. So make sure it's set to carpet. Now what you do is you get your hose and you feed it back through here. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and snug. I can be abusive to these things all I want to because I can fix them if I break them. That's how you put that back in place. Just like that. Then you go ahead and you flip it over. Yeah, I know, I make it look easy, don't I? Well, as I've said before, and I'll say it again, it's not. So if you're not mechanically inclined, stop what you're doing and just take the thing to a shop. Remember, you've got a screw way down there, which I can't reach with my fingers. And I don't have a magnetized screwdriver handy. I do have one, but it's... shit. It's outside. You just hang that on the end of your screwdriver and get it right down in there. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'll try and give it a shot and show you. That's where one of those screws is. And that's what holds that ugly green vanity cover on. Don't ask me why they picked green for this model. Just another one of Hoover's wonderful ideas. You know, they're about as wonderful as a bag of sour potatoes. You'll have to pardon me, I have a habit of bantering and just carrying on every once in a while. And then this screw will go on this side. Roughly the same area. There, cool. That's nice and secure. Don't forget to put this piece in. Can you even see this? There we go. That ought to be better. Now you put your wind tunnel flap back on. Secure it with a screw. And your other Phillips head in the middle. That also is part of the vanity cover holdings. So there. Now for your brush bar. Go ahead and extract that belt. Slip that on there. Slip it on and shove it in. Okay, now for the cover. Make sure the screws go into their appointed places. Yeah, I know. Get your head out of the way. I'm going to switch to Phillips. Now these screws don't have to be ridiculously tight. Just enough to hold the plastic in place. Oh, what went wrong here? Something did. It was sitting on the end of the wheel. Okay. Time to set the camera so you can see what I'm doing a little bit more better. I've got cord wrapped all the way around this thing. I hate cords. I don't hate them, I just have a serious dislike. So then, after you've unclogged and all that good stuff, there. Set your hose in here, because it's got 1, 2, 3 ribs. Set it in there about, that far. Now, I'll remind you again, when you're putting this on, there's a hole in the top of this. If you've ever wondered what that little light does, why it's lighting up